Hey everyone. I don't know if you can hear me. Sometimes the sound is sketchy. But we are out here at Come and Smoke It at Windy City. There's the man, the myth, the legend.
Let's go.
We have got tomahawks on the El Rey. Thank you, Colorado Box Beef. They look amazing. Look at these things, guys. Look at that marbling. Look at them on the grill. Thank you, Jeremy. So we are out here at, like I said, Come and Smoke It in Austin at Windy Point Park. We've got Harlem Road. We're right over here next to Tejas. Other side of that, we've got Helberg. Down in the trees is Panther City. Over in the other trees is Hurtado. Got some jams. Thank you, Matt, Smoke Game Strong, for putting this all on. Everybody is having a great time. We got JQ over there. JQ's Tex-Mex. Want to show you guys a little bit what we got going on this weekend. The El Rey can cook on a trailer. It can be mobile. It can also go in a kitchen. It is a workhorse. Thank you, Fiesta, for the seasonings. Thanks, Kevin. He said, get it, Mike.
Yeah. Well, thanks for the interview. We appreciate it. We appreciate it, brother. Slip my hand down your head and I let it in your back pocket. Don't get too hot now. And this is about to live. Get too hot.
How hot is it?
Get too hot, Jeff.
Oh, your secret thing. Your secret one of all, honey. Don't get the girls like you, no, no, no. Cause girls like you, don't get the guys like me. It's sad, it's true.
All right, let's take you on a little tour. Got Tejas in the house. Cindy. I'm live. Say hi to all the fans. Helberg crew. Say hi. I'm walking Instagram around the, here we go. Good job, Philip.
There you go, that's great.
All right. Got the Panther City crew. What's up? Good? We're live. We're showing everybody around. Also, it's going to take like 30 minutes for those tomahawks to cook, so I've got time. All right. Heading over here. Hello, hello. Yeah. Sounds great.
What you guys working with over there?
We've got the tomahawks on finally, so I'm taking Instagram on a tour of Come and Smoke It. So, since since they're gonna take a minute to cook. So
Let me know. I will.
I will. Thank you so much. Look at that,
If you
guys.
guys need any more, let me know.
Will do. Appreciate it.
Chef C. Austin is a food tour company. We specialize in Austin barbecue. Go around to different barbecue joints, get skip lines, all that jazz. A lot of fun. Look my website, Chef C.
Excellent. Check it out, guys, if you're in the market for a barbecue tour of Austin. And there's lots of good stuff there. So thank y'all. Got Hurtado in the house.
How you doing?
Good, good.
I'm trying to survive.
I get it.
You enjoying the sun?
Yeah, it's great. Should have brought the canopy. Coulda, shoulda, woulda.
Yeah.
Hindsight. Always 50-50. 2020.
I'm doing good.
Always. Actually, probably better. So.
I need one too, but I'll probably shotgun one as soon as I get done. Good idea.
Woo! All right. Got some jams. Everybody enjoying themselves. Look at this line. Look at this line. Got, oops, excuse me. Got KG BBQ. Look at this. Hello? Hello? CBD restart. Whoop. Come back out this way. Say live from Vegas.
Yes, ma'am.
I think we got it.
In the house.
Are you the
Soul Belly. Yes. It's my podcast. Thank you. Got some pork belly, which is delicious. Bourbon barrel crusted pork belly. Y'all, I wish y'all could like taste it through the camera, but you can't. So you should come out or get tickets next year or go see him in Vegas.
Cheers to it now. Let's go sit.
There's the man.
Going down today. Eminem killing it like always. What a great day.
It is a great day, great event. Oh, look at this. Celebrity in the house. Got John Bates. Hey, how are you? I'm good. I'm taking a break. Tomahawks take a minute. So,
You guys like live streaming?
I am. I'm on Instagram. I'm walking around showing everybody.
Ollie here.
How many did y'all bring?
Eats
Cheap Eats. There we go.
How many did y'all bring?
Just that.
Like two gigantic.
Brendan. 2 gigantic slabs. Ara. Austin. Everybody. Got White Oak. Woodworking. Hello, hello. Oh, look at all these beautiful pieces out here. Got cigars. We've got drinks. Got a little bit of everything. People enjoying. Texas made. All right, guys. Well, I think we're going to wrap it up. Got to get back to work here. Do you have anything to say? Do you have anything to say before we wrap it up?
It's too hot, Chef.
It's too hot. It's too hot. But it's a perfect day. That might be too hot. We're going to have a good day. Bye, y'all.